today we are making my favorite vegan sandwich. If you want to learn how to make the best sandwich ever, then keep on watching. You can use whatever vegetables you want, the more the better. So these are just my favorite ones. We have the Light Life brand vegan turkey. Really good macros for that. For 4 slices, it's 100 calories, 12 grams of protein. There's lots of B12, and we all need B12 in our diet. It's necessary for us. You can definitely get it through food so that you don't need to take a supplement. So yeah, this kind is my favorite too. I love the Light Life brand. Also, the tofurkey deli slices are really good. Some Roma tomatoes, cucumber, spring mix, vegan mayonnaise. I'm not going to use this today. Instead, I'm going to use this Summer Fresh Dill Pickle Hummus, stone mill bread, and it is the sprouted rye 12 grain. I love this brand of bread because it is fermented. I'm going to use it more efficiently for energy versus having something which is like white bread. These are to have on the side. Of course, they are vegan. This big ass bag is from Costco. They are amazing. I'm just going to grab a cutting board so I can cut those vegetables and make this sandwich super quick. Take our dill pickle hummus. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of that and just spread it all over our bread. I'm going to put the cucumbers. I'm a little bit of a sandwich perfectionist. Actually, I do this with everything. I'm very particular to a fault sometimes. Then I'm just going to add the spring mix. Then we're gonna put on our tomatoes and mustard. Oh, fuck, shit, oops, sorry. I forgot to shake the mustard. Wait, redo. We're going to add our deli slices. Some more spring mix. More cucumbers. If we can keep it without it falling off. One more like teaspoon of the dill pickle hummus. I just make what tastes good. It's not always pretty. And there we have it, our vegan sandwich. All done and super quick and easy. Veganism is so easy. All you have to do is make little swaps of things that you already eat. There's literally a vegan substitute for everything. It's delicious, it's easy, it's healthy, and you save the animals and the planet. And if you end up making my favorite sandwich, then comment below and let me know what other recipes you want me to veganize. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.